This is Chapter 10, Case Problem 3. We have stuff to enter for budgets. First step will be going to Company, Planning and Budgeting, Set up Budgets. We are still in 2014. Okay, we'll want profit and loss. We can click Next. We don't have any additional criteria. Next. We've never entered a budget before, so we'll want to create it from scratch. Finish. The first thing the problem mentioned was that the first month was going to be $60,000 for January, February was going to be $100,000, and then it increases 18% each year. So instead of manually calculating that, we can go adjust row amounts, and we'll want to go to the currently selected, and we'll increase each remaining monthly amount by this dollar amount or percentage. So here's where we type in 18%. Okay, I didn't click Enable Compounding, so we'll have to redo that one. Okay, here's what it should look like. I needed to put 18% and then click Enable Compounding. The next step is going to be putting in advertising and promoting. For January, it's going to be $12,500. February and every month after, $1,500. So instead of manually typing $1,500 in, we can click Copy Across. The cleaning budget is 5% of our rental income, so we are going to type 60,000 times 0.05, and that's going to be our cleaning fees. I'm going to go ahead and do that for the rest of these numbers up here. I now have all of the cleaning fees entered. The next step is going to be putting in depreciation for $17,000 a month for each month. So I will type in 17,000 and then I can copy across. The next step is going to be putting in insurance, interest, repairs and maintenance, telephone, utilities, and payroll expenses. I will go ahead and enter all those now. Okay, so now I have those entered and it looks like this. My next step is going to be entering the expected assets, liabilities, and equities as of February 29th. To enter those, I'm going to need to enter a new budget for a balance sheet. So up here is a button for Create New Budget. On the first one, I chose Profit and Loss. On this one, it's going to be Balance Sheet. Here is where we can start filling in all the other information that was given to us. So here's my balance sheet budget by account after I've entered all these, and they wanted it as of February 2014, so I went ahead and put it in the February column. I can click OK now that I'm finished. My next step is going to be printing all the reports for these budgets. To get my reports, I'm going to go to Reports, Budgets and Forecasts. And then here are my options for the budgets. My first one is going to be a profit and loss budget overview. So then we select budget overview. Here's our, we'll want to select profit and loss, account by month, and finish. This is for the month period ending in February, so we'll put 2/28/2014. The next step is getting a budget versus actual report, so we'll go to Reports, Budgets and Forecasts, Budgets versus Actual. Here we're still doing the profit and loss by account. We want it account by month, and we can finish. The only change I'll have to make here is changing it to 2/28/2014, and there's our report for that one. Now we're going to print a balance sheet budget overview, so we'll go to Reports, Budgets and Forecasts, Budget Overview. We'll click Balance Sheet instead of Profit and Loss. Finish. We want it to end 2014. And there's our report for that one. The final report we need to pull is a balance sheet, budget versus actual. So we'll go to reports again, budgets and forecasts, budgets versus actual. We'll want the balance sheet one. And again, the only thing we need to change is changing it to 228.14. And I will print and save that report.